It's time! Let's unbox the Apple Watch Series 8. This time I've decided to opt for the 45mm stainless steel version in silver with the white sport band, as it was practically the only version that was available on day one for me, and it should also match my brand new iPhone very nicely. As we can see here, I've been using the Series 4 watch, which is positively ancient, so I'm really looking forward to the upgrade. And so far, it looks like that it comes in a very similar style box. Let's open it up. And so far, it looks like they comes with the same very gorgeous origami style wrapper, and oh my god, look at that. Firstly, the pattern on the box is absolutely beautiful, and here is the watch. And also here is the sports band. So let's open up the watch. We've got the same eco style pull tabs as we do on the iPhone. Let's pull them, very unsatisfying, and let's open the watch. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and there we go. I don't know what we were expecting, but here is the watch and its little felt, what do you call it, cover. As we can see, it says 45mm over here, very cool. Over here, we've got the watch charging cable. It just looks like any other watch charging cable, nothing special over there. And also, we've got our beautiful documentation with no Apple sticker. I don't know why they got rid of the Apple sticker on the watch, but it's very disappointing. And now let's unbox the band. We've got more of these eco-friendly tabs. Let's get you out of here. Tons of documentation as well. And here are the bands. Let's pick the smaller one because I am a very small person. And let's see the watch. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! So here is my old watch, which is like 4 years old, and here's the new watch, and they look absolutely identical. But the new one does have a slightly larger display. As you can see on my old watch, there is some lovely scratching on the stainless steel. I think some people call it patina. And however, the screen has held quite nicely over the past 4 years, and hopefully this new one will do the same. Let's put the band on. There we go. And the bottom one. There we go. Okay, so there's the Series 8 next to the Series 4. Was it worth the upgrade? You tell me in the comments.